Okay, guys, we're coming on making some crinkle cookies. We haven't made crinkle cookies in a while. Tell them what all you got.
We got eyeshadow, blush, lipstick.
Eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick. Okay, this is my favorite kind of crinkle cookies, butter pecan. You take 1 cake mix. I already had it open. Oops. So we've got 1 cake mix. Then we take 2 eggs.
And then you mix it up.
Yep, mix it up. And then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Mixy.
And then you mix it up really well. That takes lots of muscles, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It'll be stiff batter, guys. It's gonna take a lot of muscles. It'll take a lot of muscles because you got stiff batter. That's what you're looking for, stiff batter. Oh, this one's not very good. It's okay. It's okay, Miss Priss. Okay. Let's get this out, and we're just going to use a spoon, because if you have a metal whisk, use a metal whisk. If you don't have a metal whisk, it is stiff batter, so it's a little hard to mix up with these little thin ones. So let's get this mixed up, because we almost got it. See how it is? It's very thick batter.
Mommy, you ready?
Almost. I'll show you what you're going to do. No, we don't dip that in there. Mammy will show you. Okay, we got that mixed up enough. We can taste it. Okay. Now, Miss Lisa sent, we're going to make baby ones. Miss Lisa sent me a food scooper. So, this is what we're going to do. There's the powdered sugar. We're going to take a food scoop, which that's a little bit much, but it's okay. And we're just going to dip it in there like that. And then you just make sure you cover it real good, really, really good with this powdered sugar. And then we're just going to put, oops, you can't see that. Put it on our greased pan. I'm going to put me several in there. You want to get them all about the same size, guys, but they don't have to be perfect, okay? That's good, ain't it? Wait till you taste them done, girl. Wait till you taste them when we get them done.
At Dada's home?
Well, you can taste them at Gaga's home if you want to.
And you?
But you just want to cover them really, really good with the powdered sugar. And then we're going to put these. Now, normally you put them in the oven, 350 for about 10 minutes or so. These we're making tiny ones or smaller ones, so we're probably going to check them after about 8 minutes. Okay?
We can wait at Dada's home?
Huh?
We can wait at Dada's home?
Wherever you want to wait, baby.
At your home.
At my home. She kind of likes the taste of them. What y'all think? Okay, this is what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get them all done up, and then we'll come back, okay? Okay, now here's our second tray. We're putting them in the oven for 8 minutes, and then we're going to show you our... That is an oven. Now, here's our first ones, guys. Put our timer on for 8 minutes.
For what?
8 minutes is perfect
For what?
for your cookies. Now, that's hot. Don't touch it.
Let me make it.
Then we got to have us some...
What you put for you?
Yeah, that's the flour. It's supposed to be like that. See how it crinkled? That's why they're called crinkle cookies.
That's not cookies.
That is cookies. It's mini cookies. See, anyhow, guys, you take them up, put them on a cookie rack, and if that's hot, don't you touch it. You see how it's crinkled? That's why they're called crinkle cookies. When you put that powdered sugar, it's hot now, put that powdered sugar on them, they crinkle.
Mommy.
I'll hold them up in just a minute once we get these up and you can see. on in just a minute. I'm gonna taste one of them for him.
Mommy, one, two,
Mmm. Nobody's eating them but us, guys. Nobody's eating them but us.
no.
I get him. Okay, now, let me move this over there. Whew. That may be hot, stinker.
Huh?
That wasn't hot?
No.
No, ma'am?
Take it.
It's okay. Now, see our crinkle cookies?
We are inside it.
Try this one. He's cool. He's pretty cool. I'm gonna try one.
It up.
Very good. Mmm. What you think? Thumbs up. Got the seal of approval. Again, guys, simple, simple. 1 cake mix, 1/3 cup oil, 2 eggs. And then roll them in powdered sugar. All right? Love you guys.